The modular design of the Miami TLSO 464 allows you to progressively tailor the amount of motion restriction as you progress through rehabilitation. The system can be easily stepped down into an LSO. Unfasten the retaining straps to remove the anterior thoracic extension panel from the contact closure. Remove the screws using the provided tool to remove the posterior thoracic extension from the posterior panel. The Miami LSO is now ready to use.